You fall in there, I'm not coming to get you.
Oh,
Come on. You fall through
look
that
how
crescent.
deep it is.
Come on. Let's go. Chop, chop. Can you get up? Alright, I'll see you later.
His butt left a big old dent.
I hope we don't fall through. Hey, come on this way. You're... That's not funny.
You put him up there.
I didn't think he was going to go away.
You're gonna lose a shoe.
Did you fall through? What did I tell you? There's a bookmark right there.
I can't even hold the camera.
Are you ready? Go to Mama. No! Nada, please. No. Deep out here. I didn't want no tracks in my yard this year. Why are you breathing hard? I'm the one doing all the work. Yeah. Yeah. See what happened?